everyone and welcome back to my channel where it's all about loving and restyling your existing wardrobe pieces. Last week we discussed about the procedures for travel to Dubai. Whenever we plan for a holiday, the most important thing that comes to our mind is what outfits we are going to wear. And the next step is to go for shopping. But as I told you earlier that I have drastically reduced my consumption and now my focus is more on styling as compared to shopping. Let me take you through what items I have packed and how to mix and match and create more number of outfits. Dubai is not as conservative as the other Arab countries, so you can wear whatever you like while being mindful of their habits and culture. The weather is quite pleasant at this time of the year, neither too hot nor too cold, so packing will become very easy. Of course, the nights may be a little windy or cold, so it's better to carry a jacket or a light cardigan. So let's rush into it. This time I'm not carrying any jeans, rather I have kept one denim shorts, a denim skirt and a bright colored pant. For tops I have kept one polka dot top. This bright yellow is in trend and it has a square neck. One printed shirt, because then I can wear this with the denim shorts and also I can use it as a throw. I always keep some basics ready like a plain black t-shirt and a white t-shirt as it helps to mix and match. Carrying just one pant in bright hue with a cami. Carrying two dresses, one in red and one in white. Don't you think the white one will look really cool on the sea beach with the seashell necklace? And this red dress of course for the evenings. I'm taking one set of formal dress, that is a black skirt and a leopard print top. Carrying just one blazer this time as it helps to dress up or dress down any outfit. I'm not taking a traditional denim jacket this time because I already have an overdose of denim in the form of denim skirt and denim shorts. Also where the AC is very effective, a blazer or a jacket comes in very handy. I can combine it with the red dress or the bright pant or even the denim skirt. Taking three neck pieces, a seashell neck piece to rock any beach outfit, the black one for the evenings and the colored one to brighten up any outfit. Taking one scarf, as scarves help to upgrade your style. For footwear, it's important to carry flats as you may need to walk a lot during travel. Thereby taking this loafers in a lighter shade and the black one when I want to dress up. Of course, a pair of flip-flops for the beach and sneakers for traveling. I don't wear makeup when on a holiday as the excitement only makes your face glow. Packing just basics, a foundation, a color palette, eyeliner, brush and a shimmer. For lipsticks, I prefer lighter shades like coral. As for skincare, I use this day cream from Body Shop and a sunblock. These are my basic requirements. I don't use too many products and my expense on skin and makeup is very low. Starting with this white dress that I was wearing in the intro, but this time with a different neck piece. For change of looks, wearing the printed shirt over and knotting it. Moving into the beach with flip-flops, hat and a shell necklace. Still want to dress up more? Then add a blazer to your dress and change the accessories and footwear. Add scarf and sunglasses to revamp your look. Denim skirts are so versatile that you can look really fab even with a plain t-shirt. To be more playful, tie the shirt either over your shoulders or across your body to show off your different personality, or simply wear it unbuttoned and tucked into the skirt. For a classier appeal, wear a cami over the plain t-shirt and match your footwear and bag. Create your party look with this skirt by combining it with a blazer and a neck piece. Wear this square neck crop top as it is or with a neck piece or scarf. To be more experimental, adding this shirt fully buttoned up and knotted to create color contrast. You can also wear all these combinations with a denim short. I have made a full video on denim skirts and will share the link below. The best way to wear the red dress is to keep it simple for dinners at night or upgrade by combining it with a blazer. To make it more useful, wear a skirt that is a black or denim skirt over it. In that case, you don't need to carry any bright top. Now since I have this combination ready, you can accessorize it with a scarf. Other ways to wear this blazer is to combine it with bright bottoms like this mustard shorts and also with orange pants. That is what I have. I have tried to create various looks with the limited pieces that I am carrying. I hope you have liked it all. In case you're new to my channel, then consider subscribing. It's time to finally pack my bags and see you in Dubai. Until then, bye-bye, take care and yes, keep slaying in style.